Hi, I'm Ted Ford, Fire Marshal with the Queen Creek Fire and Medical Department. This week is National Fire Prevention Week. The theme this year is the sounds of fire safety. Is your smoke alarm or carbon monoxide alarm making sounds? This could have different meanings. The continuous 3 beeps throughout the house means there's smoke or fire. Get out of the house, stay out of the house, call 911, and meet at the family meeting spot. If it chirps every 30 seconds to a minute, it might be time to replace the batteries. We all know we live in Arizona. There's plenty of dust. For a little maintenance tip, cleaning them yearly when you replace the battery is very helpful. Using a can of clean, compressed air or a vacuum cleaner to blow out the dust or remove the dust will minimize false alarms. Smoke alarms are good for 10 years. Carbon monoxide alarms are good for 7 years. Check on the back for the manufacturer's date. If you exceed those limits, it's probably time to replace them. I hope these tips help you in the future.